Solar-powered drip irrigation for small farmers. An ambitious developmental project. Under the auspices of the government of Uganda. The project is implemented by Nexus Green. The irrigation technology adopted. Laser spray. From Driptech India. Under this project, more than 1,000 acres has been brought under laser spray irrigation technology all over Uganda.
Nima obutunda, nimenyanya.
I grow passion fruits, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, maize and more. I used to have 20 staff for watering the crops, but in this system I work alone and sometimes with a few of my staff. Laser spray system has saved time and labor. The crops are growing very well.
Laser spray is, as compared to sprinkler irrigation and water saving, it wets like rain, very quick, and also evenly. The distribution uniformity is very high, and that one has helped our farmers. So it is a very good system.
My name is Anita Nilima, an irrigation engineer with Nexus Green Limited. Nexus Green has introduced the laser spray technology in Uganda. We're rolling it out to up to 252 sites across the country. With my experience in irrigation, which spans over a decade, we've noticed that they are kind of like user-friendly. They're easy to maintain as there's minimum clogging. They're easy to work with, and they require low pressure, hence low investment compared to the other technologies we've used, like the sprinklers and the drip lines.
Coming from the perspective of construction, we found the laser spray tapes an easy to install technology, and it's also quick to install. So we find that it's a user-friendly technology, and we encourage that this should be adopted across the country and even across the region.
Laser spray. The new unique revolutionary irrigation technology. Irrigates your field like natural rain.